Rocco, come here. Sit.
Oh, yes, you should see Rocco on his hind leg pushing with his paw.
Okay?
Move out. Move.
Whenever you're ready.
Nettie, you should probably.
Especially right here.
I'm right here.
The floor and push some stuff right back up. Go, bud.
Okay, let me see.
Show everyone how you do it.
1, 2, hold your breath.
Deep breath. Let's go. You nervous? We're all right here. I'll get you.
We'll watch you, Papa. We'll get you. Don't worry.
I'm right here, boo-boo.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not going to catch you. You're going to do it by yourself.
You're gonna swim to the.
You did it earlier a bunch of times.
One,
Hold your breath. You got to hold your breath.
1, 2, 3. Woohoo!
Yay.
Wow, Jojo! You got it, baby?
Joe, okay, do the one where you show Mama this one. You jump in, look at Dad. Okay, look at jump in and turn around here. And then walk. Remember? Do that one. Okay. You want to do it again?
Good job, Joe. Hi, Joey. You jumped in?
That's how you do that.
You like ran over there. Do you hold
He
him?
was swimming. It was can't touch the floor.
Dog pedaling?
You can't touch the
You
floor.
have fun?
You know?
So he swam?
Yeah. He jumps. He jumps. He hits the floor. He pushes himself up, and that gets his body up, and he dog
Okay,
paddles.
good.
See, over there it's
Baby.
different because he jumps in and he just
Let me
goes
see your
down,
face.
and
Let
then
me see
he's
your
got
face.
doggy paddle back up. And
Do you go swimming?
Keep his head up because he'll come up like this and he's like bobbing. So he'll come up, head up, and then just